For this tutorial, there's a link below that you can download the questions that I'll be demonstrating, and you can use the calculator to check the answer. However, during the calculation, do not use the calculator for the best effect. Okay, so let's start. So first one, we have positive 7 plus positive 6. So a plus does nothing to the next term, so it just becomes positive 7 and positive 6. And then this gives us positive 13. Okay, answer. The second question, negative 4 plus negative 8. So plus does nothing to the next term, so simplifying, we have negative 4, negative 8, and then we have negative 12. Okay, third one, negative 3 minus positive 2. So minus is do the reverse of the next term. So we have negative 3, and reverse of positive 2 is negative 2. So, and then do negative 2. So we have negative 5. Okay, and then we have positive 6 minus negative 1. So negative minus is do the reverse of the next term. So we have positive 6, positive 1, and we have positive 7. Okay. And now there are 3 terms. So first we simplify, then we evaluate. So this is positive 4, positive 2, positive 5, and then this is positive 6 for the first 2 terms, and then positive 11. Okay. Then we have 3 terms again, so simplify first and then evaluate. So we have positive 17, negative 10, do nothing, so negative 9. And then for the first 2 terms, we have positive 7, and then negative 9, and then we have negative 2. Okay. Then we have some simplification. So we have negative 8 plus x, positive 8. So for this one, we can rearrange the terms first, because we cannot evaluate negative 8 plus x, and we cannot evaluate plus x positive 8. So we put the 2 values together. So then we have plus x. I can omit this, but I didn't. And then we have negative 8. So we arrange the order of these 2 terms. And then positive 8. Oh, now these 2 are together. And then I do these 2 first, because the order of resolve, it doesn't matter. So negative 8 and positive 8. Oh, it's a 0. So and then I have x, or plus x. Okay. And number 8. So this one, the 2 values are already together. So positive 9, negative 4. We have positive 5 plus y. Then we have 5 plus y, if I omit the positive sign. And in the end, I can rearrange it such that the y go first. Plus y, positive 5. It is a tradition to put the unknown first, and then the values later. Okay. So, okay. Number 9. So we have to simplify this first with some bracket. So positive 4 plus that's nothing, so just write this down, and then plus that's nothing, so just write this term down. Okay, and then positive 4 negative 10 is a negative 6 minus x. So then we put the unknown first, minus x negative 6. I reverse the order because they are terms, so and this is the answer. Okay, and number 10, so 6 minus y, positive 2. So we do the reverse of this, so this becomes plus y, and then positive 2. So then I rearrange such that the values are together. So y plus 6, or positive 6, positive 2, and then we have y positive 8. Okay. And so this one, something we have to evaluate. We have to substitute the value of x into the expression. So in general, we simplify first, and then we substitute. So this one is already simplified. So then we have 3 plus substituting x as positive 7. So like this. And then this does nothing. So negative 3, positive 7, and then we have positive 4. Or just 4. Okay. I can also omit this positive sign, because in the bracket I can just write negative 3 plus bracket 7 bracket. That is also okay. Alright. So next one, 16 plus y. So this is already simplified, so I can just substitute. And then I have 16 plus negative 25. This in the bracket. Clearly this was y, right? Yeah. And then we have 16, that's nothing, so negative 25. And this is a negative 9. Okay. Okay, next one, already simplified, so just substitute. And I have 9 minus positive 6. So this positive sign can be omitted because this is the first term in the bracket. And then just 9 minus 6, or 9 negative 6. So I have positive 3. Okay. And this is minus y, positive 12. So this is, and a substitute is simplified enough. So I have minus negative 10, positive 12. Then I have, so this is the reverse of, so positive 10, positive 12, and then 22, positive. Okay. Lastly, we have, so this is not simplified enough to substitute. So we simplify first. So to simplify this, so plus does nothing. So minus x. Minus is do the reverse of the next term. So positive 4. Okay. Then it's simple enough to substitute. But you can still simplify furthermore. And then we have, so we are arranging negative 2, positive 4, minus x. This is positive 2. Then I substitute. So then I have this will be a negative 3. Okay. And then next I have 0 minus y, positive 12. where y is negative 2. So this one need to be simplified first. So I have minus to the reverse of, so plus y, then positive 12. So this is simple enough to do a substitution. And then we have plus negative 2, the 0 again to include 0, okay, just in case. And then 12. So I have negative 2 and positive 12, which gives us a positive 10, or just a 10. Okay, so this is the end of this tutorial, and any questions you can comment below, and then see you in the next video.